In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send a picture in messages on iPhone. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your Messages app. And what you're going to want to do is go onto an existing conversation, or you can tap that new message icon in the bottom right and choose who you want to send it to. But essentially, go ahead and hit this little plus icon down in the bottom left, and then go ahead and select photos just like so. Scroll through this and find whatever photo you like to send. For example, we'll do this one right here. Select it and then go ahead and hit this little check mark up at the very top. Now keep in mind you can send up to 20 photos at once if you really wanted to. But from here, you can type a message with the photo, or you could just send that photo alone. And whenever you are ready, just simply go ahead and press send, and boom, it's going to send that out right there. But that is how you could send pictures in messages on an iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.